Hello, today we're going to be picking a Mul-T-Lock G series. It's got the Integrator core in, just a garrison really, but it's got an oval cut pin in it somewhere in the chamber. I got this lock off my locksmith friend. Like I say, without him I wouldn't have half of these locks anyway. He's my best mate really. So anyway, we're going to pick it. With these garrisons you just use light tension, and when you find the binding pin you just tap it instead of just driving it straight down. And like you see, garrisons and integrators are pretty easy picks. They're not that hard really. Anyway, I'll be using a go saw pick. Just like turn of the core. There's no key with this lock either. Obviously, within bit. Pick stuck. That's the only thing with these integrators, there's loads of warding inside of it. There's the washer gone at night row mode. Deep fall set. So obviously we're just looking for that one or two pins that's keeping us held back. Nothing on 3, try 4, nothing on 4, just another slight turn of the core and I touch 4. Another slight deep full set when I touched 5, so it's either, now we go, picked. Alright, stick your pick back there, I'll show you the lock. And there we go. Yeah, that needs to be tension wrench. Boron shackle. And there you go. See the little integrator sign, that's it. So if you get one of these and it's got the eye, that's how you know it's an integrator. Anyway, let's get this thing gutted. I haven't looked at this yet. So let's see if I can get this gutted. I had a look on YouTube. There's not many people gutting these things like. Oh, sorry, 2 seconds. Sort the camera out, sorry about that. Like I say, I'm supposed to be at work, but the engines give up the ghost, so it looks like I'm off for a little longer. So at the end of the day I still get paid. And there's a thing with that, say that pin there, got to knock that pin out. So hopefully I can knock this pin out because I haven't gutted this yet. So this is the tricky part, is getting this pin out. And the only way you can do it is, there we go. And that's how you gut these, you knock the pin out. And the guts have just fell out of it. There's the pin there. That's just the actuator inside the lock. So it's popped out the guts of that. And there you go, just stick that there a minute. Alright, let's get this gutted. Alright, how's I going to do this? No, wait, I'll leave that there because I need to get the clip off. Hopefully this clip comes clean off. That's it, that's the one. Where's the pins? The pins are there, so we'll do it this way. Hopefully I can do without. There we go. As you can see the oval pin there, And at the side it seems to have for key control. It doesn't got any in, I can't say nothing. Anyway, we'll dump them out, we'll have a look in a minute. 1 standard, 2 torpedo type, spill type. That was number 4. Anyway, come out. And there's your oval cut. I think the oval pin is for, I think it's for key control and tamper resistance. You can see there's no countermeasure. You've got drill protection there, there and there. Maybe stick that there and let's see what's in here. Let's spin them around a bit. Now like I say, engine trouble, so it looks like I'm gonna be off work for a good couple of days. But like I say, I still get paid. Spill, just as I thought. Another spill. All spills these in these integrators. Spill. 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 And spill. We have a steel spill on number thingy. Drop the pins out. Might as well take them out. Now, actually need to take them out when you've got them. It looks like a bit of drill protection's just dropped out now. No, it's dropped out of there. Right. Set them all out. That's them all out. Right, there we go. Time's getting on. And as you can see there's the drill protection which slots into there. Oops, it slots into that bit there. As you can see, there's nothing inside the car. Nothing unusual. Right, anyway, let's go. Where is me pick? And it's there. I'll zoom her in. Like I said, did I mention there's no key with this lock? In case I forgot to mention. As you can see, number 1 we have a standard, but at the top we have all spools. But at number 6 we have a steel spool, and at the bottom we have a key spool number 2, and there's your integrator pin, which is like your oval cut. It's like an oval cut. It's like for key control and probably tamper resistance. That's what that's for, and the rest is standard. But there you go, inside of a Mul-T-Lock G series with an integrator core. Picked and got it. And thanks for watching. Bye.